Hi everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's correct. Welcome to Animation Capstone. We have finally made it to the end, week 11, and don't worry about a lot of things this week because all we got to do is just do the shot list and present your demo reels. And that's pretty much what we're going to be focusing on this week. So lecture this week's going to go a little bit different. It's just going to be presenting your demo reel in 5 minutes, pretty much showing the demo reel itself and then explaining what are the challenges and everything to go through it and what really made it awesome and what were some things that you could have done better and some things that could have been improved over time. So yeah, let's talk about it. Let's get into it and let's focus about that. So yeah, this week we're going to talk about your presentations, prepping for your presentations, what options you have, and some shot lists and their importance. So presentations, when is it and what are your options? So you can do it two ways. You can either do it during live lecture. If you do it during live lecture, you don't have to do a reply post. All you have to do is just post your video and kind of just a description of everything and some challenges and a quick one paragraph discussion about what you did and what were some things about it. However, if you can't attend, what you're going to do is you're going to do the discussion post, the initial post. You're going to do a presentation and a brief summary of what entails of it if you don't show up for lecture. Now, this discussion changes completely different if you don't show up for lecture. So I expect to at least see at least a couple paragraphs on the brief summary of your presentation. What were your challenges? What were some things that succeeded and everything? And then I would like you to respond and give solid critiques to all the students in the class. Now, there's only 2 students, so luckily you only have to do 1, but you have to do the reply if you do it online. If you don't and you do it during a live lecture, it's easy. Once you're done, that's all you got to do. Just post it to the discussion posts, and that's pretty much it. So you have 2 choices. You can do a live lecture. You can do it on the discussion post. So preparing for your presentation. So what I'm going to be expecting from your presentation, you're going to include a walkthrough of your demo reel. After finishing your presentation, be prepared to address the following topics or explain it in your presentation. What does the demo reel say about you? Who's your target audience? What are you most proud of? What did you learn from the feedback received through the quarter, and how did it affect your development? What were some challenges that you ran into, and how did you go through it? And that's pretty much it. Other than that, that's all I got. So double check the rubric. Make sure you cover everything. Everything's listed on there. It's on the announcements. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But other than that, be safe, have fun, enjoy. Hope everybody has a great week, and I hope to see everybody for a lecture and for the presentations tomorrow. And that's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy. Take it easy. Bye-bye.